Okay, so what we were doing was rolling our cookie dough so that we can freeze it. And I know I was rolling it, but you couldn't see, you couldn't hear me. So we're good on sound. Okay, great. Okay, thank you guys for coming back. We were rolling our cookie dough so that we can freeze it. And what I was showing you is that I fold it over and I pull the bottom half of the sheet and I pull back on the top so that we can create that roll of your cookie sheet. And I push the ends in so that it can be flat when you freeze it and you go in to slice your cookie dough. And then all I do here, I just roll it up in the same parchment paper. And you can twist your ends or you can fold it and tape it on underneath. So what I'm going to do is just fold it and then tuck it underneath. And I want to also know what I have in this wrap. So I will label it. Oatmeal, craisin, pecan. So I already know it's a cookie dough. And what I did earlier, I rolled out my oatmeal raisin pecan cookie dough. And there you have cookie dough that you can put in your freezer, and you want to put the date on it so you know today is December what, 10th, I think it is. When you're off work for so many days, you lose count of what day you're on. Oh, today is the 9th. So, and you want to date your cookie dough. So the rest of my cookie dough I have in the bowl.